Okay, so when it comes to our fallen angel, we're really trying to get that deep, strong twist and that crunching sensation of that uppermost waist as you come up. So to start with, bring the arms around, prepping into your side crow. Bend the elbows, lean the weight forwards. Nice and slow, coming down to the temple. And pull the feet up to the ceiling. Knees are trying to go down to the floor, feet go up. And reaching the innermost leg. You might change it to the outermost leg. Let's try that on the other side. Leaning out, that's really key, getting that shelf. Getting the twist as the feet angle up, knees try and angle down. Okay, so once you get that picture in your head of the shape that you're going for, really try and feel your way in that twist. Before moving a leg off of the arm, you want to do your best to get tight in that knees down position and your toes up to the ceiling. Try the inner leg going up and the outer leg going up. So we want to have both arms in contact with the outer thigh. Onto the temple. So now you really want to add a twist. So I'm trying to bring the feet to the ceiling and extend that outer leg up. So you're trying to bring the feet from being more horizontal to vertical in that position. So control lowering that temple down. And then feel that twist as your feet go from horizontal to up to the ceiling as best you can. You'll feel that in that top waist as you crunch and pull those shoulders down. Super important for the chaturanga, and any arm balance is that feeling of hugging little lines in your underarms.